The mirrorless camera market is moving at a breakneck pace, and Sony continues to remain at the heart of innovation. With the Alpha series, Sony has consistently pushed the boundaries of what creators can expect from a hybrid camera. Now, after much anticipation, leaks, and speculation, the Sony A7V is finally making its way to reality, and it looks set to shake up the industry once again. What makes the A7V so special isn't just the fact that it's the next iteration of Sony's best-selling full-frame line, it's the new distinctive sensor that has caught everyone's attention. Early reports suggest this is not just an incremental upgrade, but rather a defining step forward in imaging technology, promising better dynamic range, higher resolution, and vastly improved video capabilities. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Sony A7V. We'll cover its expected specs, what makes its new sensor unique, how it stacks up against competitors like Canon and Nikon, and what this means for photographers, videographers, and hybrid shooters around the world. To understand the excitement behind the A7V, we need to look back at Sony's trajectory. The Sony A7 series has always been about delivering professional-level performance in a compact, mirrorless body. The A7 III was widely called the basic model that redefined the industry, thanks to its perfect balance of features and price. The A7 IV, released in 2021, added a higher-resolution 33MP sensor, strong video specs, and new autofocus capabilities powered by AI. Now, the A7V is expected to raise the bar again. Sony has built a reputation for making cameras that don't just catch up with the competition but leap ahead. If the leaks about the new sensor are accurate, the A7V could set a new benchmark for hybrid shooters. The most exciting part of the A7V is undoubtedly its sensor. While Sony has not officially released every detail yet, credible leaks and insider reports point to a brand new stacked full-frame sensor with unique characteristics. Resolution, likely between 45MP and 50MP, offering sharpness and flexibility for both photography and video. Stacked BSI design, allowing faster readout speeds, reduced rolling shutter, and better performance in high-speed shooting. Improved low-light performance, enhanced light gathering ability with cleaner results at higher ISO. Dynamic range, expected to exceed 15 stops, putting it in line with professional cinema cameras. AI-driven autofocus integration. Eye, animal, vehicle, and even subject recognition built into the sensor's processing pipeline. Sony is rumored to be calling this a distinctive hybrid sensor, combining the resolution of the A7R series with the speed and video power of the A9 and FX series. This could make the A7V one of the most versatile full-frame cameras ever created. Sony has been focusing heavily on hybrid shooters who want to capture both high-quality stills and professional-grade video in one body. The A7V is no exception. Leaked reports suggest the following video features. 8K video recording at up to 30 frames per second with oversampling for maximum detail. 4K 120 frames per second for slow motion without compromise. 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, matching professional cinema standards. Cinetone and S-Log4 support for color grading flexibility. Reduced rolling shutter thanks to the new stacked sensor design. Improved